What's up everybody, we're filming this video from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Welcome to our fabulous hotel room here. We have a double room all to ourselves, private bathroom. It's nice and spacious.
We got a nice waterfall shower here with hot water and double mirror on both sides.
It is awesome, especially the view here from the 7th floor.
Got a nice view of the garbage dump down there. Doesn't smell that nice.
What we also have on the 20th floor is a rooftop infinity pool, gym, and sauna, and this all comes for the whopping price of $16 per night.
Yeah, and we found this hotel on Airbnb, so we couldn't be happier with this place.
And there's a laundromat just across the way, so...
And also across the way is the metro stop, which takes us right to the downtown area and super cheap.
So we're going to be exploring the downtown area today, taking you around the sites, just kind of wandering around. We're going to go hop on the metro and take you there now.
Thank you. So we're taking the metro to Bukit Bintang, which is the sort of like the city center area. It's only like a 15-minute walk to the Twin Towers, which are one of the main structures here in Kuala Lumpur.
Bukit Bintang, yeah, it's the city center, but it's basically just like a lot of malls and shopping. Is kind of what we've noticed is Kuala Lumpur.
That's pretty much all there is to do here in the city is go to shopping malls. Yeah, we've been to like 4 or 5 so far, and we've only been here like 2 days.
Please stand behind the yellow line. Mind the platform and tree gap. Please.
So we've now arrived in Bukit Bintang after changing different lines throughout the city. Kind of have it down now.
Well, we've taken the same route every day, so it's pretty easy. We might seem like we know what we're doing.
So as you can see, it's like a brand new city here. I think we were surprised at how developed this place was. Don't know if we expected that. We didn't have really any expectations of the city actually. So you can see mall all the way down there, mall on the left. And there's a Starbucks on every single corner. So this video could be used as a good reference point if you don't know what Kuala Lumpur looks like us. When we arrived, we had no expectations of the city, didn't really know what it looked like, didn't research it beforehand. But we're pretty surprised because when we arrived and as we're walking around right now, it's a very clean city, it's modern, pretty much comparable to any Western city.
We are in KLCC Park, which is a great green space to walk around, go for a run, children's park, you name it. The prices here are pretty reasonable coming from Singapore, but compared to places like Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, they're going to be a little bit more expensive. Right now the exchange rate is about 4 ringgits to $1 US, so basically divide everything by 4 to get the price in US dollar, which is convenient. One meal to typically put you out between like $4 and $8. Pretty reasonable.
Behind us you can see are the Petronas Twin Towers. They were once the tallest towers in the world in 1996.
Each tower is 88 stories tall and about 452 meters in height.
And the building is one of the main attractions here in Kuala Lumpur. Another fact about Malaysia is that it is 60% Muslim and it is the national religion recognized in their constitution. Alright, so that about does it for today's video of Kuala Lumpur, showing you the city and wandering around the streets. From what we've seen, it's not too much tourism going on here. Maybe we didn't go to the right areas.
So we're going to head back to our hotel, enjoy some of the amenities there, and then we'll be checking out the Batu Caves tomorrow.
So thank you for watching and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.